ChatGPT, as an artificial intelligence, cannot directly make money for itself or others. However, there are several ways in which the use of ChatGPT can be leveraged to create value or income. Developing products or services based on ChatGPT, you can use ChatGPT's capabilities to create applications, tools, or services that solve specific problems for people. For example, you could develop a customized virtual assistant for a company or create an app that provides AI-based personalized advice. Consulting or personalized support. You can offer consulting or support services to businesses or individuals using ChatGPT as a foundation to answer questions, or provide assistance in specific domains. For instance, you might help users troubleshoot technical issues or obtain specific information. Content creation. Utilize ChatGPT to generate high-quality content such as articles, stories, video scripts, or other creative materials. This content could be used for blogs, websites, YouTube videos, or other online content platforms. Creating courses or training. Use ChatGPT to create online courses or training materials on various topics. These courses can be sold or offered on e-learning platforms. Research and development. Organizations can use ChatGPT for research or to develop new technologies. This might involve developing new algorithms, AI applications for specific industries, or analyzing large amounts of data. Freelancing or self-employment. If you have technical skills in using ChatGPT and data analysis, you could offer your services as a consultant or developer for specific projects or businesses in need of AI assistance. Remember that the use of ChatGPT or any other technology should be ethical and respectful of people's privacy. Ensure compliance with laws and regulations regarding data protection and privacy as you develop and use AI-based solutions.